Hey guys, and I know it, and here in Romania it's like in the morning right now. Beautiful weather outside. So, I decided to make a video for today. Yesterday I made a bunch of videos with my aunt sister's help, like the Q&A, Steffi's life and my life. It was her idea. But late night, we wanted to do something else. Like I wanted to give her a line so she could stay on the phone while playing with LPS. Because she isn't here, but tomorrow she is going to be here, and I think we're going to be filming, post it on YouTube. Yeah, we'll see. And she's very sweet. She's coming with some LPSs from her collection. From her collection. She's going to play with them. She's not giving me them. Yeah, let's go outside. Mm. 18 subscribers, guys. 2 more subscribers. 20 subscribers.
Acum a doua era una doctoriță ale bunii la nează, pui la bună picătură nou, da? Cum e la mai rău?
Eu mă duc după Erica.
Mergi în partea aia, măi, dezastru. Aoleu, ăsta așa.
Că mă iubesc. This is the pool, but it's dirty. This is my stuff. And a lot of stuff in here. This is the kitchen, so-called kitchen. Long ago when only my sister lived with mom and dad, this was the furniture that we had in the kitchen, and the kitchen was very small. And it was a small house because it was like a long time ago. I can't say the year because I don't know which year was it. Why are there plants in here? What are you doing? Why are you so scared? Oh. Little devil. In the rock. Little devil. Let's get out of here. Bye, guys.